Well, hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Seankbeauty. Hopefully you'd like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a video. Friends, that really does help our channel out a lot. Without further ado, let's get into this video because I'm super excited to do this Mother's Day gift idea video with you all because, mothers are so special. When I think about mothers, they wake us up when we were kids to get ready for school. They make our breakfast. They dropped us off to school. At least my mom did, and she was my principal, so I guess that was kind of like a given. But what I know about moms, the really good ones, is that they're very nurturing, they're very loving, and when you're discouraged, you can always pick up the phone and call. So my gift ideas for Mother's Day is not the traditional sewing machine, apron, and the mixer. And though those are nice ideas, we tend to see those ideas a lot. What I wanted to do special in this Mother's Day gift idea video is to really give you some ideas about gifts that you would purchase for yourself, purchasing for your mom. And when I say that, I don't mean, the risque. I mean, the really nice fragrances, the beauty pieces, the skincare pieces, the jewelry pieces, things that make our mothers feel feminine and classy and still very much alive. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you all in this video. My mom is very classy. She is sophisticated. I like to think of her as a hybrid of Michelle Obama mixed with Oprah Winfrey. She's very much an educator, and she's retired now from being a principal from nursery to 12th grade in a private school that I attended and my siblings. But even though she's retired, my mother is very much about looking the part inside the house. That has always been something she drove into us from kids, being sophisticated, classy, and educated individuals. I want to say a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Ana Luisa, friends, is one that I've worked with for a good little bit here. I think it's been a year already. And they're a sustainable brand with really classy, dainty pieces. They're very much about loving the earth and using recyclable materials to make their jewelry. Their jewelry starts as low as $35 and can go all the way up, in the fine jewelry prices. But what I do love is the versatility that you get from Ana Luisa's pieces. You can match them with heirlooms from your great-grandmother or your grandmother, as well as match them with vintage pieces. Most of their jewelry, if you're not in the fine jewelry world, is either silver-plated or gold-plated. This one is gold-plated. And friends, I've had this, I don't even know how long. I think I've showed this, oh man, many months back, and it has not turned on me, and I have washed my hands using this ring. So I'm going to show you some of the pieces that I picked out, and hopefully this will be some inspiration for you. Then we'll come back and we'll talk about the other pieces that I recommend for mom for Mother's Day. So I wanted to show you all how the jewelry came packaged in these beautiful velvet pouches. The collaboration with Elizabeth Tempo and Ana Luisa carat gold on sterling silver. It is 16.2 inches long and the weight is 8.9 grams. This is definitely a conversation starter. You can dress this up or you can dress this down. My mother's gonna love this, and I think I'm gonna get one for me too. And this is the Everly Wide Ring. This has so many sizes. It's available to everyone from 4 to size 10. This is actually 14 karat gold on 7 millimeters, and this is hyperallergenic. So you don't have to worry about your fingers or anything turning green. Is the Petro. If you have a small wrist, this would be, and this is 14 karat gold on brass if I didn't mention that before. And then this is the Tiara mini studs that I chose for my mom. 14 karat gold on sterling silver, and the width is 3.8 millimeters. It's a conversation starter. It's sophisticated. It is classy. It is just beautiful. And that's why I love Ana Luisa. So friends, as you can see, different outfits, it's so versatile as well. A nice dressed up collared blouse moms can wear, or she can go for a v-neck, just regular t-shirt, and still look very sophisticated and classy. So that's what I want to say about Ana Luisa. They really do give you the best of the best out of their collection, and that's not just because I'm a brand ambassador. I would not be with them as long as I have been if I did not enjoy their pieces. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video, and also for allowing me the luxury of picking out these pieces for my mom. So some other recommendations that I wanted to put out here is fragrances. I mentioned some fragrances in my Sephora recommendations video, but I wanted to show you 3 that I think your mom would love if she's into these types of scents. Okay, so let me put that disclaimer out there. The first one is Issey Miyake. I'm almost done. One of my favorite fragrances. I got my name engraved in the bottle, as well as a little saying, "A Queen Always." They had a promotion happening at Dillard's. This is, oh, friends, white lilies, musk, what else? Iris, freesia. This just gives a lingering sillage when you wear this fragrance. And when you put this on, I guarantee there will be somebody that says, "Are you wearing an Issey Miyake?" Like, I hear that all the time when I have this fragrance on. This is just a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. You all knew that I was going to bring this into this video, and that is the Hermes Twilly. I am in love with this fragrance, and especially now that we're going into spring and into summer, this is just such a beautiful light sillage that you get coming from this, and it lasts a long time. It's a lingering sillage, and people will ask you about Hermes just as much as they would ask you about Issey Miyake. I think these are becoming those notable scents that people can pick up on because they're just signature. So friends, this next fragrance I do have, but I don't have it with me, and they will engrave the bottle for you, and that is from Tiffany & Company. You can also buy this at Ulta, but I don't think they will give you the luxury of having it engraved for your mom. So buying it from Tiffany & Company would be a plus. What I can say about this beautiful fragrance, my friends, this is a sophisticated, classy scent. And as you can see by the bottle, the crystal bottle is very iconic of Tiffany's Lucida and their yellow diamond cuts. What I also love about this fragrance is the notes in here. The top note being Verde Mandarin, and the middle being Iris, and the base, of course, you all know I love patchouli, and it has musk. This is a sensual fragrance. It is just so glorious. It leaves a lingering sillage, and I think you all would love this. This would look beautiful on your mother's vanity because of this beautiful crystal bottle, and just the cuts that you see in here is so precise that it really is a standout art form. So I wanted to show you all that fragrance as well, even though I don't have it with me. So those are the 3 that I recommend. Let's move on to the other category that I wanted to recommend to you all, and that is bags. And it's not a long list of bags. These are functional, they are versatile, and I think your moms would love them. So I wanted to show you all this beautiful case that I've gotten from Jouer Cosmetics. I've showed this a number of times in my videos, and I have the suitcase to this. I have the passport holder, the luggage tag, the luggage. This is a beautiful, beautiful print, and it is a quality case. Now, Jouer doesn't sell this anymore, but what they do sell is this jet set bag. This can double as a purse, or it can also work as a cosmetic bag for mom. Anything that she wants to put in there. That's how versatile this bag is. It's a good size toiletry bag. And I just bought myself another one. And I would say, you know, this is a really great gift idea for your mother. If she has anything she wants to carry, it doesn't have to be makeup. It can be like, you know, just her keys and phone and little you know, wallet if she has one, or whatever it is she wants to carry, I definitely say this is an excellent gift idea. The other gift idea that I wanted to mention from Jouer Cosmetics is these bundles that they have. They have these lip care bundles, so mom can actually take care of herself, have a spa night, you know, take care of her lips, do a nice little lip scrub, a lip mask, or even, you know, if she wants to mess around with color, she can. It just depends on the bundle that you choose for her. There's also a bundle here with the actual Jet Set bag, which I think is a really great purchase. And if you sign up on Jouer Cosmetics and you're a first time customer, they take 15% off your purchase. So there you go, just a little something for mom in the realm of bags from Jouer Cosmetics. Another brand that I wanted to talk about for bags is the Halle shoulder bag from Coach with their signature canvas. And I thought this was just beautiful. It's very sophisticated, very classy when mom is just like going out to brunch, or if she's going out, you know, maybe just to run errands. She could dress it up, she can dress it down, and that's what I really love about this bag. Another bag that I wanted to show you all from Coach, because Coach is making a comeback, whether you all believe it or not, they're making a comeback, because I've seen some really nice things from Coach, and they fell off for a while, but I think they're coming back. These Sophie slides, I looked at these for my mother because, you know, moms love to wear those capris, or they love to wear, you know, jeans. They can dress this Sophie slide up with their outfit, no matter how casual it is. I just thought this was so beautiful, and it's at a reasonable price. So this would be a really great gift for mom as well. This other bag I wanted to recommend is from Coach too. It's like a little mini bag. I got this when they were having some sale they were having not too long ago. I just want to show you all, but you know, I want something that's functional, that I know for me, I'm not a huge bag person. I've done a luxury bag video. I will leave the link. And this one was really nice. It actually has the a little pocket piece inside so that you can put like your credit cards and all that stuff. And then it's big enough for you to put your, you know, cell phone, maybe a lipstick, a mirror, but it's not too weighty. It's still very classy. I can wear this casually, or I can wear this like if I'm going to have a nice dinner. And just having it next to me while I'm showing you all, look at it with these pieces from Ana Luisa. This is just really stellar. It looks very classy, very sophisticated. And I'm telling you, friends, Coach is making a comeback, whether we like to believe it or not. I really think they are. I've seen quite a bit of people recommend Coach bags on this channel because I love fashion too, even though I don't bring fashion to this channel. All right, friends. Now, let me put a disclaimer out here before I show this piece so that you all don't come for me in the comments. Okay, when I buy luxury ready to wear, I definitely budget for it. There's no way that I'm just going in and impulsively buying the most expensive. I literally have to budget every single month for what I want. But I feel like for moms, if you can afford this, moms are not, you can't put a price point on your mom. I'm just saying, you just can't put a price point on your mom. So I did purchase my mom a pair of these slides, and these slides are the Christian Dior Douai slides. This is the deep blue embroidered cotton slide. I think that's what they call it, the deep blue embroidered cotton. And you can clean this with baby wipes. Friends, I have worn these to pieces. They are so comfortable. Now, granted, I have the Hermes Aran sandals and they are uncomfortable. If anybody else has those sandals and you can attest, please leave it in the comments below. They're very narrow. Even though I have narrow feet, they hurt after a while, so I can't wear those very long. But these I gravitate to. So I definitely say, you know, this would be great for mom. She could wear these to brunch. She can wear these, you know, dress them up, dress them down. They're just a really great pair of slides. Another recommendation from Dior that I wanted to mention is Dior, the eyeshadows, the Quince. This This formulation is like none other. I've talked about it in other videos. When I showed my mom this, she was like, oh yes, I want one of those. She loves colors, but she's also one that loves just a wash of color. So if you're looking for something that is even more reasonable from Dior, may I suggest the Dior Quince. Another suggestion, of course, I couldn't exit out this video without talking about the world of Chanel. So here are just some ideas for moms from Chanel. Fragrance. Now, I didn't group this in with the other ones, but this is just a night fragrance. It doesn't have a lasting or lingering sillage, but this one is the Le Privé, and this I bought, I think it was some way back. It was some months back when that first launched. I ended up purchasing this. This is a really great scent, really great night fragrance. I suggest this. Another suggestion would be the Dual Mirror along with a lipstick for mom, for whether she likes satin or mattes. It's just up to, you to know which one your mom likes. Or you can get her a blush with a lipstick from Chanel, because every girl loves Chanel, okay? Or you can go after a quad to give to your mom. And I would say a really great quad is Warm Memories, right? A nice little wash of color. If she likes color, there's a ton there. There's Road Movies, there's the Candeur et Séduction. There's a lot of colors there. Candeur et Séduction is my absolute favorite with the colors in there. It just depends, okay? But I definitely say give her a little something special this Mother's Day that is really going to make her feel feminine and feel sexy and feel sophisticated and feel classy. She's still a woman. She still wants to feel sexy. She still wants to feel classy and sophisticated. She doesn't always want to wear the apron and make the cake or, sit at the sewing machine and make something. Moms also are women and they still want to feel feminine. And I feel like these are just some really great items that you can think about to give to your mom for Mother's Day, including the Ana Luisa pieces. And, if nothing else, then just give the Ana Luisa pieces. These are gorgeous, gorgeous pieces, friends, and your mom will absolutely love them. And if she doesn't, you don't have to go after these pieces I showed. You can actually go after pieces off of their website. There is a ton of pieces on there, starting as low as $35 all the way up in, price with their finer jewelry. So that is it. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.